Good morning. I am Dr. A. Sethupathi, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. So today we will discuss the topic of introduction and working of IC engines. In our college, we are teaching subjects, courses by design thinking process. So the design thinking process, we can identify what is the problem and how to rectify the problems. So we are using automobile vehicles, the IC engines, but we are not knowing the much better knowledge in that how the engines drives. So in this topic, we will discuss how the IC engines working and what are the types of IC engines and what are the components in the IC engines, the functions, what are the problems will be created by the ports or the fuels using the engines. So these are all discussed in this topic. First of all, we must know what is heat engine. So it can be defined as any engine that converts thermal energy to mechanical work output. For example, heat engine includes steam engines, diesel engine, and gasoline or petrol engines. So which engine that will convert the thermal energy into mechanical work output, that type of engine all called heat engines. On the basis of how thermal energy is being delivered to working fluid of the heat engine, then heat engine can be classified as an internal combustion engine and external combustion engine. So these two types are the most different and most classification. An internal combustion engine, combustion takes place within working fluid of the engine. Thus, fluid gets contaminated with combustion products. For example, petrol engine used internal combustion engine where the working fluid is a mixture of air and fuel. The petrol and air are mixture of the fuel is usually in the petrol engines. So the combustion takes place inside the cylinder. So we are calling internal combustion engine. An external combustion engine working fluid gets energy using boilers by burning fossil fuels or any other fuel. Thus, the working fluid does not come in contact with combustion products. So, we are using fluids to rise the temperature of water, getting steam. So, in the type of fuels or this type of combustion is called external combustion. In boilers, we are using outside uh, making a heat by using fuels, but the inside water getting steam due to high temperature, but the no contact between the fuel and the inside water. So these type of engines are called external combustion engines. So the internal combustion engine may be classified into two types. One is spark ignition engines and another one is compression ignition engines. The spark ignition engine is called SI engine. In the type of engine, the fuel is ignited by spark producing from the spark plug. So spark plug is used in these engines. So compression ignition engine, CI engine, this is called CI engine. An engine which the combustion process starts when the air fuel mixer self-ignites due to high temperature in the combustion chamber caused by high combustion. If the air fuel mixer which is compressed inside the chamber, so the pressure will be more. So the same time the heat will be raised. So in the type of natural combustion, ignition is created inside the engine. This type of engine is compression ignition engine. Spark ignition and compression ignition engine operate on either a 4-stroke cycle or a 2-stroke cycle. This is the main classification of the IC engines.